See, media, don't worry. I know. From here you can snap whatever. From here you can snap whatever.
Other representatives from the State House, members, that there was a skull at the entrance of the building.
Yes, come here, sir.
It is a great joy to see that we are getting proactive resources to prepare ourselves. Terrorism is not unique to Nigeria alone. It's across the world. And we have to fight it. We have to eliminate it completely. And we as Nigerians are looking for economic revival, prosperity, and development. Then we have to give priority to security. What I've seen here is a demonstration of intelligent effort to counter terrorism. It must be backed by knowledge. It's counterterrorism that is not backed by knowledge. It's not going to be of any service to any nation. We are going to work on that together. The effort of the entire armed forces of this country must be put together in a way that will form one single focus on securing the country. You can't have a disharmony in an orchestra of this security plan. We must focus on one tunnel, coordinate shared information, shared intelligence, coordinate and work harder. Then you cannot hoard those information. You cannot hoard the intelligence to succeed. I'm glad Nigeria is on path to succeed. We will. I assure you. And we'll make it a priority. And that is why I'm here this morning. And first visit. I commend your efforts. I'm with you. Let me know what you need and what you want me to do. I'm ready. Thank you very much.
Before the national anthem is played and Mr. President departs for signing the Visitors Book,